Hey guys, it's Vin again from the Bear Gentleman, and today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I ended up getting the gold version of this. So this year it's not a rose gold, it's an actual yellow gold. And so this is the 256 variant. They have 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes. Other than the base storage, all of them should be the same. And I actually have to do this video really quick because this one is actually for my wife and she really can't wait to get this. So here we go. Pretty simple. Look at that. They got a little cutout for the phone. And here we have our phone. Once again, this is the gold version, and it really looks like actual gold. It doesn't have that little rose gold tint that the previous years had. And it has a very nice, smooth, satin-like finish on the back. And it has these nice gold little rings around the camera bumps to make them pop out a little bit. And inside the box, we also have our USB-C to Lightning power cable. And it is kind of underwhelming in 2020 to still have a Lightning cable. But the good news is if you have a bunch of these old cables laying around, you can still use those with your new iPhone. The bad news is they did not include a power adapter with this. So you would have to get a different type of charging brick if you had the traditional USB type A charging bricks. On the bright side, my wife is coming from a Samsung S20 Ultra, and that one did have a USB-C charging brick. But if you do not have one of those, you're gonna either have to end up buying one of those or just use your old cables that you had from your old iPhones. And that's about it. It's again a very minimalistic box. Inside here we have our, well, you get an Apple sticker. You can put that on your MacBook or your car or whatever. You have a little bit of literature, very minimal. And then you have your SIM removal tool. And actually, that is it. That's all we get inside the box in 2020. No more charging bricks, no more headphones. And here we go, we got everything laid out. You got your little logo thing here. You got your charging cord. You got your SIM removal, literature, and your phone, which again is really what most people want to see anyways. I will have a full comparison of this directly in comparison to the S20 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra, which I'm using to record this video. And if you guys have anything in particular you would like to see in that video, just leave a comment down below. Or if you have any questions about this phone, also once again leave a comment down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more content, and I'll see you guys next time.